welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but it's like always, I'm always here. So today I'm going to show you something exciting. We're going to be doing cake smash, but this one's going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. So we're going to be doing a garland. I hope I said it right. And it's going to be the safari wild one. So we'll see how it goes. Here's everything. And we're gonna be using a little tent that I have over here. And yeah, so hope you like it. And if you have any questions or anything that you would like me to read and reply, just reply in the bottom. If you like the video, as always, subscribe. Follow me for what it looks like. I'm gonna put you guys down a little bit. It took us a lot of work and we lost our white tape. So this is what it looks like. We're super excited. Oh, you can't see there. There you can see pretty much everything. Yeah, that's my daughter helping us. So I think it's gonna be super cute. Hello.